How to earn up to $4,000 plus with the Clock airdrop. Free to join and get paid to chat. Yes, you heard that right. The Clock airdrop is here, and it's one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto. With Clock, you can chat with AI models and earn Mira network tokens, literally getting paid just for having conversations. And the best part? It's 100% free to join. Stick around because I'll break down exactly how you can start earning right now for free, whether on your PC or mobile browser. What is Clock? Clock is the world's first trustless multi-LLM chat app powered by Mira Network. It allows you to chat with top AI models while earning Mira tokens for simply using the platform. Clock airdrop details. Free to join, no cost, no risk. Raised $9 million from Bitcraft Framework, Excel, Crucible, Folius Ventures, Mechanism Capital, Symbolic Capital, Velocity, and Kyber. Potential rewards, up to $4,000. How? Complete simple tasks like chatting, referring friends, and daily check-ins. Best part, you can do this on your PC or mobile browser so anyone can participate anytime, anywhere. How to earn Mira points on Clock, step-by-step guide. To maximize your earnings, follow this simple process. Step 1. Register and get 100 free points. Visit the Mira official website, link in the description. Sign up using Google Mail, fastest method, or connect your EVM wallet. Save your passphrase. This is important for securing your account. Get 100 free Mira points instantly just for signing up. Pro tip, signing up with Google Mail is much faster than using an EVM wallet. It works on both PC and mobile browsers. Just sign up and start earning. Step 2, complete daily tasks and multiply your earnings. Clock rewards consistency, so the more active you are, the higher your earnings. Here's how to maximize your rewards. Chat daily. Send 10 messages to the AI chatbot and earn 100 Mira points every day. Ask for Mira points. Request 10 points per prompt, up to 10 prompts per day. Free tier. Upgrade to Pro, earn 5x more by increasing your activity and completing extra tasks. Wait, before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more crypto airdrop opportunities. Let's keep going. Step 3, invite friends and unlock huge bonuses. Want to supercharge your earnings? Take advantage of the referral system. Invite a friend, and once they sign up and use at least 3 prompts, you both earn 100 Mira points. Refer 20 friends, and you unlock 1 month of Pro access for free, meaning higher rewards and faster earnings. How does the Mira point system work? To maximize your profits, it's important to understand how points work. Free users earn 10 points per prompt, up to 10 prompts per day. Referral bonus gets 100 Mira points per friend after they use 3 prompts. Pro users earn 5x more Mira points with a higher daily limit. Top earners can make up to $4,000 once the Mira tokens are distributed. And yes, you can do all of this from your PC or mobile browser. Don't sleep on the Clock airdrop. The Clock airdrop is a game changer, making it easy to earn crypto. Just chat, refer, and earn. If you stay consistent, this could be a massive airdrop opportunity, and you don't want to miss out. And the best part? It's 100% free to join and works on both PC and mobile browsers. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're joining the Clock airdrop. Also, check out other airdrops in the pinned comment. Don't miss out on these free crypto rewards.